to another weekly vlog. This is weekly vlog number, is it gonna be too loud maybe? Weekly vlog number 4, and it's actually the evening time now. I was gonna turn that off because it's probably gonna be noisy, but it's gonna be too smoky. It's actually the evening time now, where I do usually start this in the morning showing you my Monday food shop, but it wasn't a particularly big food shop this time, so I didn't bother showing you, and I've been quite busy today. So I thought I would just show you making dinner. We are making tahini noodles, so like a tahini stir fry. It's got broccoli, pak choy. We're ready to go with the sauce and chicken. And I've got some like the Linda McCartney veggie chicken bits in there as well. But yeah, this is the tahini sauce. It just looks like enough sauce.
I have no idea.
We can always make more. It wasn't exactly difficult.
I think it'll be enough.
Yeah, I think so too. You don't want too much.
I caught that tongue out. Batteries on this is about to go.
Oh really?
Yeah. Flashing.
Let go. Just turn it off.
I'm just going to turn it off for a second.
Vlog. Oh come on, your arm looks so good in this. Do you want a cup of tea? Please. I'm gonna hop in the shower, but I'll only be quick.
It's for your bird.
Morning guys, it is Tuesday. I am up and ready for the day. I've got 10 minutes to my morning call. I don't know whether to make my smoothie or not. I might actually. Yeah, I've got 10 minutes to my morning call, up and ready for the day. Quite meeting heavy today, so got quite a lot of meetings going on. And then in my lunch break, I am doing an Instagram live with a sportswear, like a bigger boobed sportswear brand. So I'm really excited about that. That's happening at 1:30 today, I think. So like lunchtime chit chats, and then it'll be live on her page afterwards, so I'll link it down below if I can. Oh god, I need to charge the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I probably, have I got time? Yeah, let's try and fit in smoothie making before work. Hi guys, so it's just later on Tuesday. I did an order from Get Here, or Get Here. And Laura, my sister, put me onto this app, and I just ordered £25 worth of food for a £5. My camera's dying, but I'm gonna try and show you everything I got. Okay, let's try and do this. So basically what they do is they have like, I'm gonna leave it linked down below. They have loads of deals. So I got 5 bananas. Oh, I'm not keen on how much packaging this is, but that's okay. And they feel like good. I like a green banana, so yeah. Porridge, Mama's Jumbo, gluten-free. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try those. Pitters, eggs, almond milk. I just got these because I've actually just run out. The lazy ginger and I got a lazy ginger as well, I think. I've got lazy, yeah, garlic paste. I do have lazy ginger in here somewhere. Stuffed pasta, cheese, Outpro yogurt. This is everything. I'm actually gonna go charge my camera now, but yeah. All this for £5. I think they inflate the prices because this doesn't look like 25 quid's worth of shopping to me, but all this for £5. Sweet. Morning guys. It is so sad and dark and gloomy this morning. It's like we've gone back to winter. I mean, to be fair, it's only like 7 AM, but it's still a lot darker, and just doing my coffee, a lot gloomier than it has been, which is sad. So yeah, it is Wednesday, it is payday today, woo 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 woo. So I am gonna go check out the charity shops at lunchtime, I think. I haven't got anything particular I want to buy, but I always like to go have a cheeky little look on payday. I don't think there's anything else I really want to buy this month, so yeah, I'm just gonna have a look. I always like give myself a payday treat. It's like, well done for working for another month, like you're gonna do for the rest of your life. I'm making the Moma porridge I bought yesterday, the almond butter and salted caramel one. Oh my god, when I was putting it in there, like, it actively smells like the best thing I've ever smelled in my whole life, except for a Le Labo candle, obviously, because they are the best things anyone's ever smelled in their whole life. But it smells so good. I'm so excited for this. I've also swapped out my oat milk for no sugar almond milk. It's like every time I have something with it, like my coffee, my porridge, I literally just tasted it, like, it's like just disappointment at its finest. So I'd like to inform you, I will be swapping back to full fat, full sugar oat milk, because like, life is there to be enjoyed. That's it. Also, is this a porridge portion size that I'm like meant to be eating? Because like, I don't think I agree. Like, that's tiny. Let's see how full it makes. Remember if I showed my new trainers, but these are the New Balance, I think they're called 327s, that are sold out everywhere. But this print is not sold out on ASOS, so I can leave them linked down below. They are so comfy and, oh, I love them, they're so cool. Yes, this is the light blue with the zebra print, and obsessed. So comfy, and I love them. So it is 100% gone back to winter today. It's freezing. I've got my acne coat on, but I'm still not warm enough. It's like, this coat's like my, I'd say it's like my spring autumn coat, and I've got like a long sleeve on underneath, but like, I need to do it up. I'm cold, proper cold, but I'm feeling very stylish in this outfit. It's like the most kind of like basic outfit for me, but like wearing high-waisted black jeans. I'll show you when I get home. These, my New Balance trainers and my acne jacket, I just feel like cool girl chic-y. Like, I haven't really made an effort, but like, look at the brands I'm wearing vibes, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna pop to Primark because I want to get some socks to go with these. I just want like plain white, like sport socks, I guess. So I'm gonna pop there first, and then I'm gonna pop to the charity shops to have a look. So I ended up getting two little, a little play suit and a little dress from the charity shop. So I'm going to show you those on in a moment and we can decide. I also got my socks from Primark that I wanted, but they were also doing these little seamless sets. So I had to pick these up because I think they're going to be great for like underneath mini dresses and stuff in the summer. And they were selling like hotcakes, it looked like. So I had to pick up the matching top as well. I'm quite excited to see what this looks like on. I got the medium, which is size 10, 12 to 14. So yeah, I'll try that on for you. And I also picked up the t-shirt in cobalt blue because I love this colour on me. And I thought the t-shirts would be good for the gym and running, and these would just be good for underneath stuff. But yeah, I'll try it all on. This is the Primark thing on. Like, yes, this is hot, but like, I think these might be too long for what I wanted them for. And the top I actually love. I love the top. The top's good. The top's gonna stay. I'm gonna try the blue one on and then decide which colour I'm gonna keep. But I think this is good just for like high-waisted moments. But yeah, like this is like, I look like snatched, like I look good, but like, am I gonna wear these? I don't think so. Probably not. Okay, I love this even more than I ever thought I could. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is by a thrift. Like, this was $3.99. $3.99. It's River Island originally, but it just fits like a glove, like so nicely. Okay, maybe a little too big, but like not in a bad way. Oh my god. And this is also super cute. Again, £3, and this is originally Topshop. It is a size 10, so it's stretching probably more than I would like it to around the boobs, but I really like it. I think it's super sweet, super fun. So yeah, I'm gonna stick these in the wash and film some reels and take some content with them tomorrow. And then this is the cobalt blue version of that top, and this is the one I think I'm gonna keep. I just think it's a lot more like me, you know? Or is it quite like lumpy bumpy at the back? Do I care? Probably not, to be honest. I don't know, I just think this is like a bit more fun. Makes me want to keep it more, you know? A bit more fun than the black, basically. And I don't really feel like I need both. I don't wear t-shirts that often, but I think this, again, could be good for the gym and for running. Maybe I'll keep both for gym and running, actually, because they are going to be good for like sticking over a sports bra. They're only £3.50. Let's keep both, but yeah, I like. Every time I talk to you, I am doing this exact walk from my bedroom to the kitchen. Whew. I've just got back from my run. I feel like I pushed through a new level of like running fitness today. I was going up the hill that I get to, I had to go to get to the common. And usually like, I'm like, I'll just take the hill easy, like I'll do like a walk run before I get to the common because the hill was really hard. Blasted up the hill today and got to the point where I was like, I think I need to walk. And I was like, what happens if I just power through? And then I was like gliding, but then I did get to, you know, like 3/4 of the way through and I was like, ooh, I'm dead. So it's all about pacing, isn't it? But I feel like that glide point was like, that's the sweet spot. That's the bit I need to be in for most of the marathon, I guess. So yeah, I need to kind of Google like a marathon actual kind of training, like how much I should be running by each point guide. I'm sure there's stuff on the internet I need to find, but right now I need dinner, so I'm gonna make carbonara. And carbonara is served. And a massive mess was made. Hi, Petey.
Well, yeah, I mean...
I won't be offended if you don't have time for it. It only takes you like half an hour to get to work from here though, doesn't it? Making myself some lunch. It is Thursday and I'm going out for dinner with work people tonight, so that's exciting. I just went and got my nails done in my lunch break. Took about 15 minutes. This guy's so quick, like I can't even. I'm like, it only costs 20 quid, so I love having them done and like fresh and clean and short and just natural at the moment. Anyway, yeah, I'm making some lunch. I'm doing the tahini noodles that I ate on Monday. I'm so excited for this. It's just started snowing. I don't know if you're actually gonna be able to see that at all, but yeah, I gotta go out in that. Hi guys, it is Friday. The weather has perked up today. Still bloody freezing, but sunny outside, which is much better for my mood. So I've just woke up, done my makeup, having a coffee. I'm gonna make a smoothie, but firstly gonna do some work, I think. Yeah, I've got about half an hour, so I'm gonna start and before my first meeting, which is 8:30. I'm gonna do a little bit of work and then make my smoothie, and yeah. Not much to report on today. It's a pretty meeting heavy day at work, so just lots of sitting on my desk doing meetings. I also, tonight I'm not doing anything. I'm literally gonna go to the, I think I'm gonna run at the gym because I think it's probably too cold to do an outdoor run, in my opinion. I need to get used to, well, what I need to do is pop to Decathlon and get, I want a backpack for running, so I can do longer distances and take like a snack and a drink. And I want like a jacket or something I could put over to feel a bit warmer, so I need to purchase those things. So I think, yeah, just gonna pop to the gym and try and do 10k on the treadmill. Let's see how it goes. My only problem is I get bored. We'll still see. And then I'm gonna finish Bridgerton. Hi guys, so I've just got back from the gym. I did quite a big run actually. I'm exhausted, like I'm genuinely like I was dripping in sweat about 5 minutes ago, and then obviously walked out into the cold London air and cooled down a little. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this one. I don't really know how much footage I even got. I think it's lots of cooking and shopping, but I hope you enjoyed it. I will obviously keep doing these. I really enjoy them. I think I'm going to film some like thrifting content tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're enjoying, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.